Hi, let's discuss pumping lemma of contextual language. So before going through pumping lemma of contextual language, first go through pumping lemma of regular language, then come to this. Link will be in description. Just go through pumping lemma of regular language. So if L is any contextual language, there exists a pumping length N such that for every string W belongs to L, W length should be greater than equal to N. I explain what is pumping length in regular language. Pumping length is the minimum length. After that, some repetition is possible. You can say minimum string length is the minimum pumping length. More than that, you can consider any number as a pumping length. We can break W into 5 string, W equal to U, B, X, Y, Z. First rule, B concat Y should not be epsilon. Means both cannot be epsilon. One you can make as epsilon. Either B can be epsilon or Y can be epsilon, but both cannot be epsilon. Next, Bxy length should be less than equal to n, means the middle part should not be more. That length should be less than pumping length. X you can consider as epsilon. By both you cannot consider as epsilon, any one you can consider as epsilon. And U, X, Z you can consider epsilon, no problem. Third rule, you need to check U, V power K, X, Y power K, Z belongs to L for all K greater than equal to 0. So pumping lemma is used to prove some of the language is not contextual language if there exists at least one K for which U, V power K, X, Y power K, Z not belongs to L, then L is not CFL. If any language is given, you need to prove that this is not contextual language. These are the rules, you can follow that and you can check this is not contextual language. Let's see one example. L equal to A power n, B power n, C power n greater than equal to 1 is not CFL. First consider this is as a CFL. Then we'll consider a W from this language. We'll consider any arbitrary string from this language. Let W equal to 2A, 2B, 2C. And this is belongs to L as equal number of A and equal number of B and equal number of C. Here minimum pumping length will be 3. As minimum string it will accept will be ABC as n is greater than equal to 1. So minimum pumping length will be 3. More than 3 you can consider any pumping length. I am just considering pumping length equal to 3. And W length, here W length is 6, that should be greater than equal to pumping length. So 6 is greater than equal to 3, so it's okay. Next we need to divide W into 5 string. Let U equal to A, V equal to A, X equal to BB, Y equal to epsilon and Z equal to CC. And this should be according to this rule. Means first rule, By should not be epsilon. So here B is A and Y is epsilon. Both concat will be A and it is not equal to epsilon. Next rule, Bxy length should be less than equal to n. So Bxy, that is ABB. ABB length is 3 and that is less than equal to 3. So this is equal to 3, that's why it is okay. Now we need to check U, V power K, X, Y power K, Z belongs to L for all K greater than equal to 0. Let K value equal to 0, then U, V power 0, X, Y power 0, Z. So what is U? U is A, V is A, so A power 0, then X is BB, write down BB, and Y is epsilon, so epsilon power 0, then Z is CC. Now something power 0, that will be epsilon. So we'll get A, then BB, CC. A, BB, CC. Here number of A is not equal to number of B and number of C. That's why this is not belongs to L. If we'll get at least one K that is not belongs to L, then you can prove simply this is not CFL. Just for clarity, I am taking two more examples. Let K equal to 1, U, B power 1, X, Y power 1, Z. A power 1, BB, epsilon power 1, CC. A power 1 will be A. We'll get 2A, 2B, 2C and that is belongs to L. Let's take K equal to 2, U, B power 2, X, Y power 2, Z. A square, X value is BB, so write down BB, and Y is epsilon square, Z is CC, write down CC. Now A square will be 2A, so it will be 3A, then A square, so 3A, 2B, 2C. Here number of A is not equal to number of B and number of C. That's why this is not belongs to L. Now for 2K value it is not belongs to L, means this is not contest-free language. Let's see another example. Prove that W belongs to A plus B positive closure is not CFL. First consider this as a CFL. Let me consider a W from this language. Here this W is different from this W. I am just taking a string from this language. Okay. So ABB, and that belongs to L as both are same. Here this is W, both are same. And here pumping length will be 2. Here minimum string will be AA or BB. So I'm just considering 2. You can consider 3, 4, 5, any number. Okay. Minimum pumping length will be 2 as minimum string length is 2. And more than that you can consider any pumping length. Here I am considering pumping length as 2. So W length is 6, that is greater than equal to pumping length. So 6 is greater than equal to 2. Next I need to divide this W into 5 string for U, B, X, Y, Z. Let U equal to AB, B equal to B, X equal to epsilon, Y equal to A, Z equal to BB. You can consider X, U and Z as epsilon, no problem. Only B, Y both cannot be epsilon. Let me check the condition. First condition, B, Y, that is B, A, that is not equal to epsilon. So this satisfies. Next condition, B, X, Y, length should be less than equal to pumping length. So B, X, Y, that is B, A. B, A, length is 2 and that is less than equal to 2. So this also satisfies. Now check U, B power K, X, Y power K, Z belongs to L for all K greater than equal to 0. Let's consider K equal to 0, U, B power 0, X, Y power 0, Z. Now U is AB, write down AB, then V is B, B power 0, X is epsilon, then Y is A power 0, then Z is BB. So B power 0 and A power 0, that will be epsilon. Now write down AB from this and BB. ABBP, that is not WW, so this is not belongs to L. Let K equal to 1, U, B power 1, X, Y power 1, Z. U is AB, B is B, B power 1, then X is epsilon, Y is A power 1, Z is BB. Now it will be ABB, that is belongs to L. Let's check K equal to 2, U, B square, X, Y square, Z. So in place of K, I just write 2. Now U value is AB, B value is B, so it will be B square. Then X is epsilon, Y is A, it will be A square, Z is BB. Now it will be AB, then 2B due to B square, then epsilon, then A square, so it will be 2A, BB. Now just check the string is A, 3B, then 2A, 2B. This is not belongs to language as both are not same. If both will be same, then that belongs to language. Here both are not same. You don't need to check for 3K option. For single K option, if it is not belongs to L, then you can prove. So here L is not contest-free language. Before contest-free pumping lemma, just go through regular language pumping lemma, that you will get more clear in contest-free pumping lemma. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.